Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of IT. Myself Dr. Amrish Choubey, and today we're going to discuss how you can able to use your mobile phone as a web camera to be used in various online teaching platform like Microsoft Teams. So let's get started because I have seen that many of the teachers are now facing a tremendous problem because they are not able to solve a paper which is in technical in nature. For example, if you are a mathematician, if you are a physics teacher, if you are a chemistry teacher, or maybe you are teaching accountancy, so you need to solve the questions in real time so that students can able to understand the concepts and they can able to learn in real time in practical format. But since we are now into the era of online teaching just because of the COVID-19 situation all over the world. So now we have to find out a solution where we can able to solve this problem, and this problem can be solved by using your mobile phone, because today we're going to learn how you can able to turn your mobile phone as a web camera so that you can able to easily move your phone and you can able to stream your calculations right from the piece of paper to all the participants where you are teaching. Let's get started. Okay, for that matter, you have to go to the website kinoni.com, as you can see here. So once the page is load, you can get to know that it says turn your phone into a web camera for free. Okay, so don't worry if you're using a iOS, or you can say iPhone, or whether you're using an Android phone, or whether you're using a window based desktop or laptop, or you're using a MacBook. It will gonna work in all these platforms. You just need to understand a simple logic. Okay, so if you're using a mobile phone, let's say if you're using an iPhone or Android, just download this software. It is known as Epoch Cam app. So if you guys are using iPhone, go to the Apple Store and look for Epoch Cam app and just download it. And if you're using an Android phone, just go to the Google Play Store, and download look for Epoch Camera and download it into your mobile phone. Okay. So once you've downloaded this application into mobile phone, then you just need to download the same application into your Windows based and your MacBook, using the following link. As you can see, it says that download the drivers and as well as application for the MacBook and Windows platform. So once these applications are downloaded into your computer system or into your mobile phones, you have to make sure that these two devices must be connected on the same network of your home Wi-Fi. So if these two applications, if two devices are not on the same network, that means these two devices cannot able to stream the content from each other. So it is most important that keep or connect your both devices on the same network, as simple as that. Okay, so I have downloaded these application onto my laptop as well as into my mobile phones. Now let's use the same program. I will show you the output, how you can able to connect. Okay, so I'm gonna use the open the application. As you can see, that is known as Epoch Viewer. This is a desktop based application program. Now I'm trying to connect or open this application onto my mobile phone so that you can see that live streaming from right from my mobile phones. So I'm now trying to connect. It will take some time. uh, what is Yeah, now you can see this is the live streaming coming from my mobile phone. As you can see here, hi, this is the output. So now I'm going to tell you how you can able to use this stream in your online teaching. Please wait. So as you can see, this is the paper where I'm going to solve or with my mathematic questions or my accountancy questions. So let's open the MS Teams. So this is the application. This is the Microsoft Teams, and I have already signed in into my account. And here I'm gonna see create a new meeting. So let's say meeting with Amrish Choubey, and I'm gonna create a dummy meeting. And you can assume that this is the meeting where I'm inviting my 100 students to learn a lesson from me. So this is my now the meeting has been started. So here is the icon wherein you can able to share your screen to all the participants who are into this meeting. So here you can see this camera. This is the epoch viewer where I'm streaming my content right from my mobile phone. So the moment I'm gonna click, automatically, my dear friends, whatever you can see here, okay, it is now being streamed to all the participants into my MS Teams meeting. Okay, so as you can see over here, meeting with Amrish Chaubey and call in progress. So if I'm gonna write anything over here, for example, I'm solving any question or I'm writing something like, for example, Power of IT by Dr. Amrish Chaubey. Or if I'm teaching accountancy, for example, so I can able to write anything, assets and liabilities. That means now you can see whatever I was gonna write, okay, it will gonna stream to all the participant into the MS Teams. And whenever you want to stop the streaming, just click over here. It says stop streaming sharing. The moment you click, you will get back to your MS Team interface. And if you want to share any other content, any PDF file, any PowerPoint presentation, you can able to use these tools to stream the content right to all the participants. I think I hope you have understood the requirement, and I hope you're gonna like my video. Please like my video, please share my video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, guys.